In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get MYOB in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner or someone looking at managing finances more effectively, getting started with MYOB is a streamlined process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First things first, open up your web browser. It doesn't matter which one you use. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other you prefer. Simply type in the address for the MYOB website and navigate there. MYOB, which stands for Mind Your Own Business, is renowned for offering accounting solutions that are efficient and user-friendly, helping you manage your business finances with ease. Now that you're on the MYOB homepage, you'll want to choose a plan that fits your needs. They offer both free and paid options, so think about what suits your business situation best. If you're a small business, you might want to start with the free version to test the waters before committing to a paid plan. Have a quick look at the features of each plan and select the one that seems right for you. Remember, choosing the right plan is crucial as it determines the tools and capabilities you'll have at your disposal. Once you've selected a plan, you'll need to fill out a registration form. Start by entering your email address. Make sure it's one you check regularly because MYOB will send you important information and updates there. Next, fill in your name, first and last, followed by your phone number. Your phone number is important for account recovery and support purposes. Then, type in your business name. Being accurate and thorough with this information is key, as it relates to how MYOB will appear on documents you might send to clients and partners. The next step involves setting up a password. Create a secure password that's unique and hard to guess, but rememberable for you. Strong passwords often contain a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Security is a top priority, so ensure your password is something that guards your business data well. After setting your password, you'll be prompted to enter your payment details if you've chosen a paid plan. Even if you're starting with a free trial, having these details ready is necessary for seamless service once the trial ends, should you decide to continue. Rest assured that MYOB has secured payment processes in place to protect your financial information. And that's it. You're now ready to get started with MYOB. With everything set up, you can now explore its features and start managing your business finances with newfound confidence and efficiency. Dive into the various tools MYOB offers and tailor them to suit your business's needs. If you encounter any questions or need further assistance, the MYOB support team is always there to help. Thank you for joining me today, and enjoy the perks of simplified business management with MYOB.